Hi everyone, today we're going to learn the vertical addition strategy, and we're going to learn the basic vertical addition strategy on this side first, and then we're going to have a look at an example which involves some carrying. So to begin with, it's important to think about our place value and our base 10 system in place value, and that's the idea that 10 ones makes a 10, 10 tens makes 100. And it is important to acknowledge that and to know that when we're doing vertical addition. So keeping that in your head. So this is how you set up a vertical addition equation. So it's a written strategy, this one. And what we do to begin with is we put the higher number on top and the lower number on bottom. It doesn't actually matter so much because we'll get the same answer either way. But that's just the way that I like to do it to help myself. So what we do first is we don't begin in the hundreds column because our number is written in hundreds here. There's 3 digits. We actually begin in the ones or the units column. And we add 4 and 5. It's called vertical addition because they're one over the top of each other, working in a vertical direction. 4 and 5 is 9. So we write 9 down there. Next we go to our tens, and it's important to remember that although we are adding 1 and 4, we're really adding 10 and 40. So it's just important to remember that in your head as well. So 1 10 and 4 tens make 5 tens. So far we've got 5 tens and 9 units or 9 ones. Now we go to the hundreds column. And we have 300s here and 200s here. So we're going to be adding 300 and 200. So 3 and 2, or 300s, 200s, is 500s. So that gives us an answer of 500s, 5 tens, 9 ones, or 559. So that's your basic vertical addition where there's no carrying. I'm going to show you what carrying is now. So again, we need to have a look at this equation by beginning at the units or the ones. And this time we're going to add 9 and 4. Now I know that if I add 4 and 9, or 9 and 4, then I actually get 13. So what I have to do is I have to put the 3 to here, and then I carry that 10. Because remember that once I go past 9 ones, I make a 10. And I carry that 1 or that 10 up here. So now I'm going to be adding 3 tens, 7 tens, and the extra 1 10, which I do at the end. So 3 and 7, not in my tens facts, is 10. So what I need to do is add that extra 1 on. Now I've got 11 tens. So I put the 1 here, and I carry my 10, which is actually 10 tens. So 10 tens make 100. So now I've added an extra 100 in. My next job is to add the 600s and the 200s and the 100. So 600 and 200 is 800, plus the extra 1 makes it 900. So my answer is 913. So very important to remember the place value system that we have, and remembering to carry the 1 and then add it back, or add the 10 back, or add the 100 back. Very important. Really good strategy, very useful strategy for doing some larger numbers in a written form in a way that isn't done in your head, and can work for much larger numbers, can work for numbers in the decimals. Very, very useful strategy that I learned as a primary school student and I still use today. Thanks, guys.